Yo, what is going on? So this is a review for Schwab Intelligent Portfolio. So mainly Schwab provides automated investment management services aiming to help investors achieve their financial goals with minimal efforts and costs. So the key features are no audit Yo so the key features are no advisory fees, the So the key features are no advisory fees, diversified EFT portfolios, automated rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, 24/7 customer service, which is the best thing. So the key features are no advisory fees, diverse. So the key features are no advisory fees. So the key features are no advisory fees, diversified EFT. So the key features are no advisory fees, diversified ETF portfolios, automated rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, 24/7 customer service, minimal account requirement, and cash management. So basically the pros are low costs, diversified portfolios, automated management, and strong bad reputation. However, the cons are it requires higher minimum account. So, the 5,000 minimum account opening is required, may differ some investors who have been smaller amounts of invest. So limited customization. While the platform offers pre-built portfolios, investors have limited ability to customize their portfolio and no human financial advisors. So if you're seeking personalized financial planning, it might not be the perfect fit for you. However, there is some alternatives. M1 Finance, a robo-advisor offering customizable portfolios and no management fees. Betterment, a robo-advisor providing diversified portfolios and human financial advisors for an additional fee. Fidelity Go, a robo-advisor offering automated investment management and lower minimum account requirement. So it depends on what you need. Here are some alternatives. So the conclusion is Schwab Intelligent Portfolio is a solid option for investors seeking low-cost, automated investment management. However, if the cons don't fit you, you're gonna search for an alternative depending on what you need exactly, and that is basically it.